Carrot cabbage stuffed paratha. These parathas are really delicious. Friends, mostly we add all the vegetables in the wheat flour and then start making the parathas. But today I am going to show you a different technique. So to make this paratha, I am going to tell you the ingredients first. Firstly, take a small onion and grate it. It is optional, but if you want great taste, you should add it. 1 teaspoon of grated garlic and ginger, chopped green chili, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, it is optional, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, few coriander leaves chopped, salt as per taste, half cup of grated carrot, 1 cup of grated cabbage, 2 big tablespoons of roasted gram flour or besan. Now I am going to add oil into the pan. Now I am going to add the grated onion. Fry them till they turn into pink color. After the color changes, add the grated ginger and garlic. Fry it for at least 2 to 3 minutes till its raw smell goes away. Now add the green chilies. The cabbage, and the carrot. Now we have to cover the pan and let it steam for 2 to 3 minutes. After it softens, we need to add all the masalas. First the turmeric, then the red chili, the amchur and the salt. Mix it properly. And lastly, add the roasted besan. Now turn off the flame and add the coriander. Mix it properly and let it cool down. After that, you can make the paratha. So guys, now our parathas are ready. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.